I'm standing half in one unit, half in another unit. Welcome to our project in the Watergate building in Washington, D.C. Our client owned a condo here in the Watergate building, and they ended up buying the unit next door. We're working with our client to take the two spaces and make one. We're currently standing here in their original condo. This was their old master bedroom. This is the space where we broke through into the next unit.
Part of the scope of work is to match the existing flooring. It is a solid bamboo flooring, as we can see. One of the challenges that we are encountering is that since this building is a curved building with a lot of unsquared walls, there's going to be some complications with the flooring and how we have to pretty much cut almost every piece of flooring to match the layout of the floor.
Their old master bedroom is turning into more of a living room storage area with a wall of bookshelves and storage areas. I'm standing half in one unit, half in another unit. This is where we broke through to create one space out of the two. This is their master bedroom. We have some really cool details of some recessed oval ceilings that are going to have backlit lighting, and it's all very detailed, which we're very excited about.
So these slabs are a post-tension cable system, and it was recommended to us that we get them scanned before dropping these ceilings. These red marks are where the post-tension cables are, and since we're on the third floor of a 14-story building, we have people above us. With the post-tension cable system, there's cables that are in the slab that keep tension on the slab itself, so that is structurally sound.
We're standing in the old kitchen that we completely demoed. This is going to be their morning bar area with base cabinets, wall cabinets, refrigerator, sink, cooktop, all that is going in here. What was the old bathroom space is now going to be their large master closet. Since we're joining two units into one, the old entrance door here is going to be walled off, and they're going to have a neat backlit stained glass wall here.
So in the original layout of this unit, we had a tub here, a shower going over there, and a toilet back there with a double vanity. Now we're doing a double vanity here, new shower. The toilet is staying in its original spot. But the only challenge with this is that since this is a slab, we can't cut the slab itself to move any drains. So we have to accommodate and move framing and walls to make these drains work. In the original design, we wanted this door to be 2 feet more to the left. But during the demo phase, we encountered a big structural concrete column, which then we had to move and adjust the layout to accommodate this structural column. So another challenge we have here at the Watergate is with the water, and where we have to schedule water shutoff, which is every 2 weeks. To accommodate that, we put in new shutoff valves for any future emergencies that the homeowner may have.
They both wanted a home office, and we're able to create that here for both of them. We're standing in her office here. This whole space was designed around her hobby in knitting. She has a very large machine that's going to go on this wall that is pretty loud. We insulated all of these walls with sound insulation, so that will make it nice and quiet. We're here in his office. On this wall is going to be a big Murphy bed. One of the challenges with a project like this is this whole space had asbestos.
Since this was an older building, it was very common for contractors to use asbestos in pretty much any material that they use. Knowing that, we went ahead and tested all areas for asbestos. So we brought in professionals to do asbestos testing, and results came back that there was more asbestos than what we thought.
We had to remediate.
We had to get a specialized permit and shut down the project so that the remediation team can come out and remove the asbestos.
And with that, the project timeline got extended a little bit, and that leaves us with a storage problem that we have to figure out and work around.
So here we can see curved walls, and to do that, we got a little bit lucky with it being metal studs, and with metal studs, there's a curved track. We went ahead and did the layout on the floor prior to framing up the walls, and the framer came out and marked out these curved areas and installed the curved track. So my favorite part of this project is these curved walls, and with my background of framing, I worked together with the framer to lay out these walls and get the curves right.